Hi guys, welcome back to This Is Chandel's Life. If you're new here, my name is Chandel. Hey, and if you're old, hey girl, hey, welcome back. So today, if you guys see my last video, I kind of talked about like me on Amazon, just shopping a little too much. That's a little too much. Okay, so of course, while on quarantine, we are definitely trying to eat healthier. I do have on clothes, so I'm not naked. There goes Kason. I don't want you to think that I'm naked. I have a dress on, one of those, you know. So anyway, do you want to say hi? He like gets in the camera, he gets out. Anyway, so we are trying to eat healthy, and I can say that's mostly the hardest thing now, definitely being on quarantine. So with that being said, I was on Amazon. Okay, no, that's not what happened. I was watching Remy's life and seeing that she had this air fryer, and oh my god, it was so freaking cute, and I was just like, ooh, I want it. But I'm like, okay, do I want it as in a sense like just to have it or to like start eating healthy? Then I came to the conclusion like, no girl, you really do need to start eating healthy. I stepped on the scale, y'all. I'm not gonna tell you the number, but woo, child, it was unbelievable. I can't believe that number. But you know what, it's all good because I've been working out. I am trying to change my eating habits and everything. I think for me, working out is not really hard. I can work out. I can, you know, do all that stuff. I can set a, you know, timer, try to work out before Kason gets up, obviously, because it's harder for me to like go to the gym if I have him and stuff. So my problem personally isn't working out. I think my problem is going to be changing my eating habits, because I freaking love to snack. Like it's so bad. Like I love snacking. Ever since I was a little girl, like I love sweets, I love candy, I love everything. It's probably why I had millions and millions of freaking cavities in my whole entire life. But I love sweets and everything. Like I'll eat like some chips, some Doritos, always. Sometimes I might just eat a snack more so than like just eating dinner. But I have to cut that out and at least like, or find like healthier snacks to eat, because I won't really eat a full course meal unless it's for like dinner, maybe breakfast. But I'm trying to change. So if you know any good meals or foods or snacks to try that's healthy, okay, healthy, don't be giving me nothing that is not gonna be good for me. If you know anything that's gonna be healthy, please comment down below some good stuff to try. We did try like the little stuff, like we tried some I think we tried like shrimp and broccoli one night. I made I recently made something, what was it? I think I made like a stir fry, like a rice, broccoli, and like teriyaki chicken, and then it was like a little more healthier for us. I did that or whatever. So anyway, back to what I was saying. Remy had this air fryer and I literally loved it, and I was like sitting there looking. I couldn't find a name, and I wasn't really trying to look through like all her stuff to like find a name of the brand that she used. So I'm just on Amazon. You know what I do? I just be going at the fingers, just buying stuff. So I finally found it, and it came in multiple colors, but I just happened to choose black because our microwave is black. But I kind of actually think I should have got white because our fridge is white. And that microwave, I think we're gonna get rid of it soon, because I definitely think it's getting old. I had that microwave freaking forever. So I think we're gonna get rid of it, and I think we will probably get a white one. Probably when we move, hopefully our fridge will be like maybe like gray-ish, or maybe another white fridge. It doesn't really matter, or a black one. Black and silver, you know, stays cleaner in my opinion. But anyway, so the fryer that I have, whoa, wait, before I continue with this video, if you have not, hey, what you doing? You gonna break something? This boy crazy. Anyway, if you have not by now, since you got a little bit into this video, make sure to scroll down, hit that subscribe button, join our family, join our gang. We do fun things on this side. Come hang with us, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me and my family. Okay, I'm gonna be waiting. Go ahead, go do that. What you still here for? Go do that. All right, also before I do get started, make sure to go check out my brand new online store called Well Favored Boutique. We have been open for a month now. This is amazing. Go check us out and everything. Go do that. Go find some cute little clothes. You guys literally just missed our Memorial Day sale if you haven't already, but he had a Memorial Day sale that was 40% off. We have some new dropping. I'm so excited. I did say in a previous video that I was going to do like a clothing haul, so whenever the inventory I get that I check and stuff, I will show you guys first thing so you can get a preview how it looks on me, and then if you like it yourself you can go purchase it. So go tell your mama, go tell your sisters, go tell your grandmammy, your aunties kids, whoever you need to go follow Well Favored Boutique on Instagram, and you can go shop online at www.shopwell-favored.com. okay, go get you a fit, boo, and tag us and say that Chandel from It's Chandel's Life sent you. Okay, thank you. All right, so here is the air fryer. It is Goals Wise USA 5.8 quart electric air fryer. So here's what it looks like. It's digital, and this was what got me on Remix, that it was digital and it looked super freaking cute. And then I guess inside is 100 recipes. It's crazy, when I was looking on Amazon it most definitely said 50 recipes, so yeah, that's dope that they give us 100, because now I feel as though I can I got more recipes to try and stuff like that. Hopefully that my camera don't fall on the floor as I do this unboxing, but we're gonna unbox this bad boy. Maybe I should turn you guys just like a little bit this way. Kason is watching, you know, his favorite show, Paw Patrol. Okay, so in this baggie we must have the manual. What are you doing? We have the manual, and like I said earlier, that it comes in a different color, so it's black, white, red, and purple. And I guess this must be all the other appliances to review and whatever. Oh, they're a small business. Cute. I guess this is like the quick reference guide that comes with it. And here is the making. That's where all of it's gonna go down. Okay, go down. The 100 recipe freaking book. I'm excited. I'm really excited. I literally text my mom and say, hey, look what came in. And she's like, yay, get the cooking. Like, whoa, girl, we gotta buy stuff first. Let's slow down. Let's, you know, slow down. All right, let's see what they got. Oh, they got breakfast in here. They got it labeled so cute. Stop. I'm so happy. Oh my God, they got breakfast, entrees, sides, snacks. What was I just saying about snacks, y'all? Stop. They got French avocado fries. I don't know about that. I'm not really a big avocado person. Only time I really like eat like avocado is if I'm eating like Chipotle or like Moe's. I don't know if you guys have a Moe's by you, but like a Moe's. It got desserts, pineapple, empanadas. That actually sounds real good because I do like pineapples and I do like empanadas. Maybe that can be a video. Maybe we'll start doing like cooking videos with It's Chandel's Life. I'm excited. You can put bacon in here. I was definitely looking up on Pinterest like what stuff to cook this with. And I was like looking for recipes, but then when I seen that it came with the recipe book, I was like, oh yes, this is the bomb diggity bomb. They got desserts, they got chocolate zucchini bread. I'm not big on zucchini, but apple turnovers, now those is good. Sweet potato fries, those is good too. Snacks, we got spicy peanuts, okay. 5 cheese pull apart bread, that sound good. Brazilian pineapple with lime dip. This is what it looks like. Can y'all see? That actually looks real good. Yo, I'm gonna be here. Ooh, hey, y'all can see me. That's what it looks like. And I'm guessing how you take, oh, it got like the little things on it. I have to take these off. Okay. Take the other one off as well. Okay. This is so cute. Look at it. It says like go wise on it. I don't know if this does anything or not, but the cord is in the back. I don't know what this does. What's this? Ooh, okay. Look at it. This thing is freaking huge. Wow. All right. It definitely smells very new. Like, it doesn't smell used. I was looking at some of the comments on it, and people were saying how oh, that's how you do that. Oh, snapski. Okay, let me just show y'all how to do it. Because what? All right, so obviously I took this as the pot, the thingy, and I was trying to take the inner pan out, and it has like this little thingy, and it just moves it frontwards, and then it's a button to release it. Stop, this is really freaking cute. I'm not gonna cook with this tonight just because I plan on making something else, and I don't think you could put that in the air fryer, or maybe you can. I'm making the like some creamy noodles and chicken that's in like a little bag and stuff. Wow, I'm just trying to make sure like it's not no scratches, no nothing like look used, but like I said, it smells like it's fairly new. So, and then the inside, don't get me started, boo. And it goes in there perfectly. That's real cute. It's digital. She's so cute. She's lovely. She looks like Baymax. You know what I'm talking about from that movie? He looks like Baymax, but like the black version. And don't take that in offensive anyway. And here's the cord. This little guy. All right, let's take a thumbnail because why not? It's really big. All right, maybe should we go plug her in? Maybe let's look at the directions first. Not that we really need to, because who needs directions? But I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory. Use preset cooking program. Use manual. Alright, let's go plug her up. I'm trying to think where to put her at, because she's gorgeous. She's really pretty. And I'm so excited. Mom, just know when I move out, this is coming with me. You can't have her. I'm just playing. Me and my mother's like this. The white one does look cute. Okay. Alright, let's go plug her up. Let's go do this. Let's plug her in. Let's unravel her thing just to make sure she works. Oh, did you guys hear that? Hello. Ooh, guys, did you just hear her? Oh, hello. Whoa, two something. Hello. It's so cute. Ooh, it has everything on it. Look, it has like pizza. Can you guys see? It got, I guess that's French fries. Oh, come on, focus, boo, focus. French fries. I don't know what the hell that is. I think that's shrimp. That must be a cake. Excuse me. I don't know what oh, maybe chicken, steak, fish, pizza. What do you do? Oh, you can go and oh, I'm guessing it got presets. Stop. Can you put pasta in here? Seriously. What does this mean? Oh, and this is the time. Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's cute. She smells so freaking new. What this do? Nothing? Stop. She's really cute. I'm actually very excited. What's this supposed to be, the timer? Oh, can we go higher? Oh, okay. Got you. So wait, like how do you know when it's to go? Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, it's making sound. I'm not cooking anything yet. Oh, this means cake. Oh, I don't want the cake. Stop. Oh God, I'm scared. What is it doing? This is why you read the instructions. We're gonna shut you off because what are you doing? Hello? Oh, I don't know what that means. Okay. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. I put the air fryer over there. It's doing its little thing. I think it must be turning off. That little thing that we see. What do I do? It's still beeping. Okay, stop. Alright. I most definitely am gonna read the manual. It looks pretty much self-explanatory, so that's fine. But just so I know and I want to be aware of what's going on with my stuff. Well, they have a coupon code in the back too. You can get 10% off. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching and unboxing with me. I appreciate you guys so much. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for subscribing, for joining the gang. I love you guys. I hope that you have a safe, blessed day, and that's it. I love you. Bye.